Hello everyone, good day to all. I'm Narmadha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Sri Krishna Swami College for Women. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of arrays in C++. Without further delay, let's get started. The next few slides are going to discuss about what is an array, why do we need arrays, how to declare array, what are all the different types of arrays, and how to initialize values to arrays. So first, why do we need arrays? So before understanding arrays, we should know what a variable is. So basically, variables are containers for storing data values like numbers and characters. So we can use normal variables when we have small number of values. Like for example, for storing some numbers, you can use variables. Just imagine if you want to store some 100 values or 1000 values or 10,000 values. It is not possible for us to create 10,000 variables to store 10,000 values because a variable can store only single value. To store many instances, managing them with normal variables becomes a very challenging task. It is not possible for us to create so many variables to store large number of values. Instead of that, we get into the concept of arrays. So arrays are basically used because it allows us to store multiple instances in a single variable of the same data type. That is, you can store more than one value in a single variable which is of the same data type. Like for example, you can store 100 integer values inside a single array variables. It also allows us to access those variables conveniently using the concept of indexing. So let's see what is an array. The definition of array is, an array is a collection of variables of similar data types referred by a single name. Its elements are stored in a contiguous memory locations. That is, it is stored in a continuous memory locations. Arrays can be used to store a collection of primitive data types as well as derived data types. The syntax of the array goes like this. First you have to tell the data type which is going to be stored inside the array variable and the name of the array and the size of the array. That is, the number of values that are going to be stored inside that particular variable is called